If you have an idea for a crazy application that you want to build, I'm going to show you how you can build it today for free using Google AI Studio. The first thing we need is an account with Google AI Studio, which is free when you use it in the studio. We're going to go to build here and we're going to describe your idea. For this instance, what we're going to do is something somewhat useful. Let's say you are a real estate agent and you need to list images of a room or a house that you're selling, but every time that you take images or the people living in the house give you the images, the rooms look nice and messy. So I thought, why not build an application where the agent can just drop in the images and Google AI Studio or our application magically just tidies up the room. So let's see if we can do that, right? And I'm going to describe the idea. I'm even going to use the speech to text. I want to build an application predominantly for property managers where they can upload images of a property, rooms, kitchens that are untidy and messy. And the application using Nono Banana will just clean up the room to make it ready to be uploaded for the property to be listed. The room itself shouldn't change, but it shouldn't be tidy. It should be nice and clean. Cool, let's build it. Now, when you're using Google AI Studio, you need to understand that you have access to all of the AI models within the Google ecosystem. So the new Nono Banana image generator, Google Gemini 2.5 Pro, which is what we're using for this, and even Gemini Flash at the moment. So let's see what happens after it builds this thing and test it out. Okay, so property tidy up AI, upload a messy image, describe the task, and it's going to tidy up the photo. So let's save this image here, for example. I'm going to save the image. Perfect. I'm going to go back to our application and I'm just going to go drop it in there, tidy up the photo. And it hasn't really tidied up, so let's see if we can fix it. The application isn't really cleaning up the scene at all. The result is pretty much the exact same as the one we gave it, so it needs to make sure that it cleans the entire room, and we're gonna hit enter. And this is the thing with these kind of vibe coding applications. It won't be perfect the first time, but if you give it a few iterations, you'll get there eventually. Okay, let's see if it works the time around. I'm going to throw the untidy image, which was this one here. Beautiful, put it in there and tidy up the image. But we're already getting a little bit better. And if you go back and forth and fix the application like this, you'll have your app in no time. Once you are ready to launch this, all you gotta go to do is deploy this application. You need to create a cloud project in your Google Cloud, which will mean also using your own API key, but it's as easy as that. Once you do that, you'll get a little URL, which you can give to people to start trying your own AI-powered application. Cheers.